Hello everyone, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to present our project called Text Analyzer, which analyzes the text. And my team name is Tech Titans and my team members are Navya and Malika. What is Text Analyzer? Text Analyzer is a simple and useful web application that helps users quickly analyze and modify the text. It provides features like word count, character count, reading time, and text transformations. So, we developed this project using React.js, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make it fast and interactive. So, let me show you how it works. First of all, we have to go to the my friend's Navyasri Mahadevapatnam repository. It is like this. So, now let me show you. Wait. So here is the cover page, the login details, credentials, that all. If you don't have any account in this text analyzer, you simply sign up with your email password. So let me show you. When I click the sign up, it gives like this full name, email, password, confirm password. So let me show for you with example. So like this, I already created with this email. So it comes like an account with this email already exists. So I already have an account. So let me log in with the email I sign up with. So when I click on login button, it gives like this login successful. So here is the dashboard and the main text analyzer script. So it has many features like clear text, uppercase, lowercase, fix typos, copy text, read aloud, stop reading, and many more. What not? Now let's look at the main features of our project. First, we have word and character count with updates. Coming to the technical part, we built this project using React.js components. The text form component handles text input and all operations like counting and transformations. So, the navbar component is used for navigation, and the alert component displays messages when actions like copy or clear are formed. We used React statebooks to update the data instantly without reloading the page. So here, let me enter some text and show you how the project works. So let us take a small paragraph which contains many mistakes and also some errors or typos in this. So let me go like this. So I take a small story and come to my text analyzer tab. So let me show you by pasting. So when I paste this, it's showing errors. So here the spelling of the small is very wrong, and the spelling of young is also wrong. So it gives like this. See here, click clear text means it will clear the text. I will show you one by one. Uppercase. Let me convert this paragraph fully into uppercase. When I click this, see the full paragraph is converted into uppercase. So now, but the when you observe the spelling mistakes here are not changed. When only I click the fixed typos, then only spelling mistakes will change. So when I click lowercase, the paragraph will turn into Sorry for the disturbance. Sorry, guys. So, when I click the lowercase, it will change into lowercase. So, now the main important part, when I click on the fix typos, it is fixing. See, spelling mistakes fixed successfully. Okay. See, when now here the small spelling is corrected and the young is also corrected. So it corrects the words. So when you want the entire paragraph or some text to copy, when you click copy text, the text is copied to clipboard. Read aloud. Some funny features or good features are read aloud. That means if you want paragraph to read, when I click on this read aloud button,
Once upon a time,
see
in a small village, there lived a young boy named Arjun. He loved to explore the forest near his home and discover new animal species.
how it stopped. When I click on the stop reading button, it automatically stops reading. So here is the some word count, character count, and characters, number of spaces also, sentences. Some it means it also counts this number of sentences. And here I only gave a one paragraph, so it only shows one. Reading time. I clicked the read aloud button for 23 seconds, so it gives like this. Longest word, it also gives the longest word. In this paragraph, the longest word is discovery. So it gives the longest word discovery. And it also when we face challenges while developing this project, we faced some challenges. One main challenge was handling extra spaces and punctuation in word counting. We solved this using trimming and methods like regular expressions. Our team worked together where each member contributed to the development, design, and functionality. So, to conclude, Text Analyzer is a simple, efficient, and user friendly tool for text analyzing. In the future, we can improve it by adding features like dark mode, multi-language support, and file export options. The main improvement we want to do is multi-language support. By doing that, you can enter various languages text and you can check the characters, number of spaces, longest word, etc. In future, we are working on to add multi-language support and file export options. So here, but here is the total overview of our project. If you want to log out, you have to simply click on this button log out. It is a simple project but at very useful to many of the students. It also useful for documentation. For example, if you want to make a documentation for your project, but your document must should be right, but when you have many mistakes in your document, when you paste the documentation text in this text analyzer, it will correct the typo mistakes. And if you want to convert uppercase, like select this uppercase like this, it will convert the text to uppercase. So it is very useful. And mainly it also erases and mistakes and give the correct spelling of the word. So like this, when you want to clear all the text, it also provides a button like clear text. When you want to clear the text, you have to simply click the button like this Let me show you. See, it is asking type or paste your text here to analyze. I cleared the text. All the text here is gone. When I want to again count the, see, now the words are zero characters, no spaces. So there is no para, right? So these R will be 0. We also provide a voice assistant like read by reading by clicking the button like read aloud. It will simply read your paragraph out aloud. To stop the reading, you must simply click the stop reading button. So here is the total text analyzer project. So our team created this text analyzer project which is very useful to many students. So I hope you understand how to use the text analyzer. Thank you. Thank you.